Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to set up wireless charging on VIVO X300 FE. Wireless charging is already built into your phone, so the only thing you have to do is grab your wireless charging pad, take your phone and place it on top, and it will start charging. To ensure good charging, go into Settings, Battery health and charging, and wireless charging. This will show you the perfect placement on the wireless charger so you can ensure better charging, faster charging experience. While the phone is charging, you can still use it comfortably. Just unlock it and use it as normal. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.